Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is keen. It is pronounced keen and spelt K-E-E-N. Think K, double E, and then N. Keen means eager, enthusiastic, and having a strong desire to do something. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who is eager to do something or has a great interest in something. For example, you could say, he was keen to learn more about the new technology. Or, the children were keen to start their new school year. The word keen comes from the Old English word keen, which means bold, brave. It was originally used to describe people who were eager to take on a challenge or have a strong desire to do something. Today, it means being eager about anything, not just something requiring bravery. In the Disney movie Moana is eager to explore the ocean and go beyond the confines of her island. Her sense of adventure and determination drive her to embark on a perilous journey to save her people. You could describe her as keen. Synonyms for keen include eager, enthusiastic, passionate, and avid. Antonyms for keen are apathetic, indifferent, unenthusiastic, and uninterested. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, keen. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.